Hey you guys, welcome back on this rainy Wednesday. And the wind is just trying to pick up as well. So, yes. I hope your day is going well. Mine is going great. Y'all can see my umbrella, that's the wind. This is my walking trail for you guys that don't know. It was nice and warm this morning. The sun was out. Now we're dealing with all this rain. Then overnight, the rain's supposed to turn into some snow showers. Bad day to go for a walk. But when I left, it wasn't raining like this. But I was prepared. The wind gusts almost took me in this umbrella. So on that note, you guys, I'm gonna hurry and skip. Okay, I have to hurry and scatter and get to the house, and I will be catching you guys on the other side. And I thank you for watching. And bye bye for now. Bye guys. And make sure I don't step in all this puddle. Alrighty. Catch y'all on the other side.